Hello, and thank you for joining. My name is Misty Corns. For this recording, I will walk you through how to add the new Family First coronavirus earning codes to your employees, as well as how you can set up the maximums. This recording will be most beneficial to companies and administrators who use the payroll module as well as the time and attendance. If you do use the time and attendance, the earning code we're going to be adding today will automatically be added directly from the timesheet. So that will save you a step. But we will also be reviewing how to set up the maximums, which will be beneficial to you. Regardless of the modules, whether payroll and or TLM, you can manually keep track of your maximums on your own if you choose to do so. We're going to be using an employee by the name of Kelly for today's presentation. So I went to the hamburger menu, the double person icon, my team, employee information. Now that I'm in employee information, I'm going to open Kelly. On Kelly's employee record, you can tell that I'm on the payroll tab. And the first option I have is the earnings section. To add the earning code, you just simply need to select New Earning. Beyond Pay has already set up the earning codes associated with this new law, as well as behind the scenes, the tax rules are built within each one of these earnings. If you have questions about the specific setup of the tax rules, definitely reach out to your CSR. So the first one we're going to add here is the Family Medical Leave Act for the additional 10 weeks. Once I select OK, there's just a couple options I want to put in here. So first of all, I want to put in the beginning date, because remember, the law only applies starting on April 1st. Now this law also goes until December 31st. So we're going to make this law the end date for this particular earning December 31st. The next thing we want to do is just set up the settings here. And all we have to enter here is 0 for the amount, and then we'll just put in every scheduled pay. And I'm going to hit save. So once I've done that, I've set the earning up. But there's also a way that we can add the maximums. There's a goal section. So what we want to do is go ahead and enable this goal. And now what I want to do is, notice it's 0. And what I want to do is actually change this amount. So I'm going to click change. And this particular law states that the maximum is for the FMLA 10 weeks is $10,000. So we're going to put in 10,000 here, and then we're going to say OK. Once I've done that, I want to go ahead and hit the save option. It's going to ask me if I want to update this record, and I'll just keep this as update existing record. Once I've done that, I have this law, this earning code set up for this particular law. Now, what I want to do is go click the back button. Now I want to add the other 2 earnings. So again, we've set all of these earnings up for you. I'm going to select the appropriate start date, and I'm going to enter 12/31/2020 here. Again, 0 for the amounts, and the frequency will be every scheduled pay. I'm going to save it. It's important to save this first before enabling the goal. Okay, now we want to change the goal amount now that we've enabled. For this particular family medical leave for 10 days, this law says the maximum is $2,000. And we're going to say okay to this. And then again, save. Again, update existing record, and we can click the back button. We just have one more earning to set up. It is the sick leave for 10 days. Again, I'm going to update my dates, and I'm going to type in December 31st. I'm going to zero amount every scheduled pay. Save, enable the goal, change the amounts. This particular earning is for the sick leave 10 days is $5,110. And we're going to save this. Again, updating that existing record. Now that I have these earnings set up, if I am a payroll only company, meaning you do not use time and attendance, you're not tracking this time off on a timesheet, there's additional things that you would need to do on the payroll side to enter the hours. Okay, I'm just going to say that one more time. So if you are a payroll only company, once you've added these earnings to the employee, when you do process payroll, you will manually need to key in the hours. There will be a separate recording for that. So stay tuned for that recording. If you guys have any questions regarding the law, regarding how to set these earning codes up or how to use these earning codes, please contact your CSR. Also, remember you can access beyondpay.com, click on our frequently asked questions. We have a full lineup of videos as well as recorded webinars, as well as weekly webinars that we're doing to help our customers. I do appreciate your time. I do hope everyone stays safe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.